Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to add social media link in hosting a website. Right, so first of all, go ahead and open up your website. You can browse both desktop or mobile version of the website. We can add the link to both. And now basically what we need to do. So of course, make sure that you are in the website builder. Now let's, on the left hand side, click on the button called Add Element. Now scroll down. And as you can see in here in the bottom, we have social icons, and we can use these icons and then just basically insert our link into this icon. And when the person presses on this icon, they will be directed to our social media link. So let's add it. So you can add it to your page on the website, or you can drag it manually and put it on any part of your website. So as you can see, we have added social icons, and in here as you can see you can basically add multiple links with of course multiple different icons. You have different sites like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, whatever, and you can see there's a gear icon next to the website as well. That means you can edit the link and put any link, not only these from these websites but any link in general into your website very easily. And of course you can add new links. As you can see, we have this search bar with social link and a check mark. So you insert your link, press on the check mark, and your link is being added to the website. Of course we can change the style, icon size, layouts, the animation, everything you want is possible to do on Hostinger. And that's basically the tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching, hopefully this helps. Support our channel by liking the video and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.